Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. The Lamborghini has been up at Makes and Models for quite a long time, but we have good news. She's done, she's good. That also means that I have to pay for it, so I got all my credit cards, I got my checkbook. Quick financial side note, there's a link in the description below to some Strad merch, so yeah. Go check it out, time to roll. I really need to figure out the dead spare tire situation, but well, not today. C300, loaner car. We have arrived here to Makes and Models. They have the AMG GTS, but check out that 599. We might be driving that today, more to come. Somewhere in here is the Lamborghini she has done. It's gonna be an expensive day. Also, Courtney, I just wanna let you know, if you ever need to have just like a little one-on-one time with the viewers, just let me know. Just let me know, okay? You'll let me know?
I will.
Okay, perfect. Ooh, check that out. 488, that thing is sick. So you guys know Ty. Ty is the only guy that I ever let work on the Lamborghini. And we're getting that oil leak taken care of right now, air conditioning as well. And then this is the wheel that was bent, and I think presumably it's not bent anymore, it's fixed. There you guys go.
They just dropped it off this morning.
Nice, nice. That is the culprit right there for the oil leak, the 99-cent O-ring. I was not expecting this, but Ty is hooking us up. This is our loaner car for the afternoon, the Huracan Super Trofeo. Obviously I'm being sarcastic, but this thing is pretty sick. Ty is hooking us up, taking us on a full tour of Makes and Models. We have the Huracan Super Trofeo Evo. This one has the carbon fiber shark fin right there. We're gonna have Courtney sit in a race car for the first time. If today's video can get 19,000 likes, we are gonna take Courtney for a ride around the Utah Motorsports campus in the Super Trofeo. I need to verify that with Derek, by the way, so yeah. Very, very, very loud. That's a full startup on a 488 GTB. What do you think? It's pretty sick. Whoa. We have the world's sickest Ferrari 488 GTB. This car has been custom built by Makes and Models. The attention to detail is like epic. Just check this thing out. This is the first time Courtney has ever been in a Ferrari, and this car is pushing right around 750 horsepower. How do you feel?
I'm excited.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's go.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay. Yeah. So, you ready?
Okay, yeah.
You sure? You hold that cam steady.
Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh! That is so fun. Oh, that was so fun.
Here we go.
No, I'm not ready.
Oh my gosh. We are gonna get in so much trouble. Oh look, we're here at Antelope Island. Courtney was just begging me to come see the views on views. We are definitely not here because it's like our own personal racetrack. Definitely that is not why we are here. I kid you not, this was Courtney's suggestion. She was like, how about we put a GoPro on the back of the 488 so the viewers can hear the sweet sound of a Ferrari V8. A stock 488 pushes 660 horsepower. This car pushes 750. Makes and Models installed the full Fab Speed titanium exhaust. It has these 488 challenge tips as well. If you're a headphone user, this would be an appropriate time to just trying to hook you up.
I would like you to know, James, there was like some massive bug on me that whole time, and I was holding really still, and I'm pretty sure it bit me, so I'm trying my hardest out here. In this, how do I look?
Hello, thank you, have a good day. So we are running very, very, very late. We have a ton of activities in today's video. We have to drop off the 488 here in about 5 minutes, and then we have an appointment at noon, but well, it's like 11:45. The nice thing about a 750 horsepower Ferrari, it has a way of making up time. Sadly and unfortunately, our time with the Ferrari 488 from Makes and Models is done, but the Lambo's done too. The $1 million question for Courtney: Ferrari 488 or Lamborghini Gallardo? Such a big decision.
I like yours.
I get it. Yep. The Ferrari has stolen her heart. Look at that. Just casually walking over to the driver's seat. Here you go, ma'am. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Yeah, she's a Ferrari girl. Look at that smile. All right. Unfortunately, well, we'll talk to him. We'll talk to him. I'll see. We'll see. Should a 488 be added to the garage? Unfortunately, I can't afford it, but this has got to be the sickest 488 I've ever seen. Everything you see done on this car that's custom has been done by Makes and Models. It has the Brixton forged 3-piece wheels. It has all these carbon fiber bits. So this Novitec body kit, Ty actually did the install. It is a $62,000 kit. All the carbon fiber everywhere, even here like on the mirror cluster, you can see that carbon fiber just glistening there in the sunlight. Also, one last key detail. So Makes and Models also did the full custom audio install as well. You can see the subwoofer right in there. The interior of the 488, such a timeless design. The leather, the Alcantara. I need this in my life, but unfortunately, it is now time to pay for the maintenance on the Gallardo. I got both credit cards out. It's not gonna be cheap, boys, but it's what you do. We have the Lambo back. It wasn't cheap. We'll get on this soon, but we have more fun activities headed your way. She may not be as fast as a 488, but she purrs. It's a V10, baby. V10! None of that twin turbo nonsense. Courtney has been constantly talking about that Ferrari, so I'm gonna try my best to bring her back to the dark side. Definitely sounds better. Look at you smiling. Lamborghini +1. We went skydiving. Now it seems like a good opportunity to go indoor skydiving. We're here at Flowrider, Utah to test our surfing abilities, which aren't very good. We are here at Flowrider, Utah. Every time Courtney hangs out with me, she's signing waivers, signing her life away. Check this out though, guys. This is what we're doing here soon. What? Fun fact, Courtney is from Southern California. She's a bit of a surf goddess, so obviously me being an Oregonian, I don't have much experience in the wake, but she's gonna teach me how to surf. So this should be interesting. Here we go. Look at her, she's a natural. Courtney's amazing at it. I'm not very good though, but she's good, and you're probably gonna be good too. We made it, we survived. We crashed a lot, quite a bit, and some of them were not very graceful.
You crashed a little more than me, let's be honest.
And that's actually probably pretty true. Courtney's a natural. The way you fell was so graceful. Like the board would go flying and you just like sit down and just slowly float away, and then I'm just like, it's just chaos.
You landed on your face every time.
Anything else you'd like to, dun dun dun. Now we're rolling. What you said about the Ferrari, but a Ferrari doesn't sound like this. Now we're actually rolling. We just got hit. I don't know if you can see, that is not good. I don't even know if that's repairable. Compliments of that guy right there, that truck. Cheers, mate, thank you. That is not good. And there you guys have it. Today's video is effectively over, but first I have to give you guys the facts, the figures, the data that I know you guys count on, depend on, and that you love. So kind of three main issues. We had the oil leak, we had the air conditioning, and the front passenger wheel was slightly bent. The oil leak, because of the location of that O-ring, Makes and Models had to remove the intake manifold. A lot of labor hours, 7.6 to be exact. Grand total parts and labor, $1,219.10. The air conditioning, also an O-ring, $431.77. Front passenger wheel was slightly bent. That was repaired for 150 bucks. Grand total, $1,945.59. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad. Be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.